Hey everybody, this is Mike, and I just wanted to take a quick video of this Skil 100 planer, and it's a 7.5 amp, and it's the Series 4. It's dirty, I haven't cleaned it up, but this is for sale. First 275 bucks gets it. Um, it needs a new cord, as you can see. It's been chewed up a little bit just from use, so it does need a new cord, but it does work. So I just want to show you real quick. Okay, so I know that these are very commonly used for shaving surfboards and stuff like that. Um, but you know, you can clean it up, restore it, or just use it the way it is. It's in good shape. Has the adjustments. It raises and lowers the planer. As you can see, works fine. There's wood in there because I tested it out on some wood. But yeah, 275 bucks. I will ship. Thanks.